Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enter prank mode on your earbuds ANKER Liberty 3 Pro. To enter prank mode, you need to open the charging case, and if your earbuds have no connection with another devices, it will enter to prank mode automatically, and now we can see that the device list. But we can also enter to prank mode manually. At the back side of the charging case we have connectional button. You need to press and hold it until this LED light, what I have, as you can see, inside, not outside, not this one. This is just a battery level icon. LED light. Yeah, and so this LED light should blinking like what I have right now. And you will also enter to prank mode, and you will see it at the device list. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!